Let's look at this example of a sets question. 16 students are registered in an evening class. If 10 students study mathematics and 10 study English and X study both, A, represent the information on a Venn diagram. B, calculate X. Okay, let's look back up here. It says you have 16 students registered. Then it says 10 students study maths and 10 study English. But 10 plus 10 is not 16. 10 plus 10 is 20. You know what? Let's look at the register and see what's going on here. Let's see the register. Mathematics class list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, you have 10 students in maths class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 students in English class. 10 plus 10 is 20. But they say you have 16 students. Let's take a closer look at this. Oh, guess what? I see Abigail Gray here doing maths and also doing English. Well. Let's see who else here. Leonard Clark is doing maths and doing English at the same time. Patricia Monroe is also doing maths and English. Zara Lowe is doing maths and also doing English. Well, these registers are not in alphabetical order, but it contains everybody. Let me count everybody. Since these that I have put in bold, I would have already seen them in maths class. I'm not going to recount and double count them in English class. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. 11, 12, 13. Skip over Abigail Gray. That's there already. 14. These two have already been seen. 15. 16. Right. So there are 16 students in total. It's just that some of them are doing both subjects. So let's go back to our question. We're going to represent the information on a Venn diagram. Let's see if we can get our Venn diagram here. This is what shapes. Let's look at our shapes. We have a rectangle. Represents the entire evening lessons, and we have our circle to represent those doing maths, and another circle to represent those who are doing English. Alright, let me get it a little bigger over here, and then this one, put it here. Okay, good. So I have M to represent mathematics and E to represent English. So this circle represents the set of students doing mathematics, and this the set of students doing English. Now 16 are there, 10 study maths, 10 study English. X study both. Since X study both, then what I'll do is put X here. Let me use a different color. I will put X here to represent those who do both. Now, I want you to just pause the video and finish filling out the information in this Venn diagram and come back. So go ahead and pause. Okay, you've paused the video and you've finished filling out the Venn diagram. Let's continue. 10 students study mathematics. What did you write? Did you write 10? No. If you wrote just 10 alone here, you would have lost marks. If you do it in exam, you would lose marks. Because whatever X is, you would be saying that the number who are doing maths is 10 plus X. You already had X out of the 10, so you must minus X at this point. Let me redo that part. 10 minus the X. Alright? And here, 10 are doing English. So here's 10 minus X. You must put the minus and then the X. Whatever X is, the fact is, for all of those doing maths, is 10 minus X plus X. This here, 10 minus X plus X, because you have both of these, the 10 minus X and the X are within the math circle. 10 minus X plus X is just 10. Negative X plus X is 0. This is gone. So it's just 10. Whatever X is, this is always just 10. And the same thing applies to the English. Alright? So that would be your Venn diagram. Now, you're supposed to calculate the number that do both. Now let's look at this method. 10. Let's look at what's happening in each section, each area. 10 minus X plus this X plus this 10 minus X all add up to 16. Let's put all numbers together and all X's together separately. 10 here plus 10, then the X's minus X, that's this one, plus X, which is this one, minus X, which is this one, equals 16. Good. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20. Negative X plus X is 0, so that's gone. Minus X is equal to 16. Suppose we subtract 20 from both sides. You will have negative X is equal to 16 minus 20, which is negative X is equal to negative 4. If negative X is equal to negative 4, then positive X is equal to positive 4. In other words, if you multiply negative X by negative 1, you get this. And if you multiply negative 4 by negative 1, you get this. Become positive. Alright. So, there we have that. So, we'll just break at this point and we'll just continue looking at this further in another video. So, I'll see you. Okay, nice.